It would kind of be nice if we had a little dog like that we could take with us.
No!
Woodland is like living her best life right now.
I think these are the people who pulled in last night.
Oh, got it. Oh, how
And the guy walked by and said, "Do you like dogs? Because I have a little dog that loves being walked." And Woodland was like, "Yes." So it's Friday morning. We're going to leave the little cottage area here and go up there. Across the street is the hangar. So it's really close. It takes about, in Florida terms, about as long as like 3 NASCAR pit stops. And we'll see if we can ship some items to the missionaries in Haiti who let us know about this place.
So the big door right here, we can go down here, I'll show you the big door. People used to jump out of these aircraft.
Okay. He said they have 2 of these and a third one on the way. They were built in the early 40s, and they flew in North Africa by the South African Army. The South African military flew these during World War II in the campaign in North Africa. So this one, they're repairing a fuel leak underneath it. The other one's out right now. It's in Haiti, on its way back soon.
So the way that this aircraft is configured right now, you'll see seats are set up on the left and the cargo nets are set up on the right. So this is set up to carry people and then their
I'll
bags.
go up there and get a little video of that. That would be cool, huh?
The seats are like up and down.
It's so cool. It's big to stand next to it, isn't it, Beck?
Yeah, but it looked small. But
Inside,
it's huge.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's amazing. And how much fuel did he say it holds? Like 1,032 gallons,
It's
yeah.
not as big as
I mean, Dad. That must have taken a long day to make.
That is quite a mural right there. Yeah, this is cool. Over there is the mail room where they bring in items they're going to ship. All pandas going inside.
Can you touch the ceiling?
I want to
Let's go
touch
try. Yeah, let's go.
Nice.
I would too.
Jack does love taking apart little electronics and messing with stuff. So that stuff in your office was really up his alley.
That's awesome.
Again.
Okay. Oh. Okay. I can stand up in here, yes.
Sorry.
Oh, thanks. That's perfect. So it's got seats on one side, and you said it's cargo on the other, is how it's set up right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So with the cargo nets, we'll put the cargo or your baggage and stuff like that.
Right. Okay.
We'll just take off the wings and it'll fit us.
That'd be really cool.
So what is that engine called? Is that a turbine engine?
Yeah, that is a turbine engine, and it's called a Pratt Whitney PT6. This is our cargo that we have. You can see we have clothes, we have food. See those white 5-gallon buckets over there are full of like beans and rice,
Okay.
Food, stuff like that. You can see we have medical equipment over here. We have tires, a TV. We have people's Amazon stuff. So I mean, you name it. If it fits inside those big double cargo doors,
Yep.
we ship it. I've shipped, side by sides,
Wow.
4-wheelers. We've even put a Cessna 206 inside our plane.
Oh, wow. That's
So
something.
another airplane inside our plane. So remember in World War II, the Willys Jeep was designed specifically to fit inside that airplane.
Oh, really?
With
Okay.
4 men, they could take the tires off, pick it up, move it inside the airplane, set it down, strap it down, and move Jeeps that way with that airframe right there.
How many Jeeps would it fit?
One.
Okay.
It would fit one and several crewmen.
That's amazing.
Is this staged so that that's like ready to go on a flight, a cargo flight?
Yes, sir. So this stuff is staged together, and it's probably all for the same
Okay,
person
so
and
all
same area.
that will go on the plane together, probably all to one location.
Yes.
That's quite a bit of stuff.
Oh, we'll put more than that on.
Okay.
Yeah, that's not even. It might be a load because food is heavy.
Right.
So rice
It's mainly
and
weight.
beans are actually pretty heavy.
But in terms of volume, you
As
could
far
fit
as
maybe twice as
volume,
much stuff?
More than twice that much.
Oh, wow,
Volume
okay.
Twice.
Yeah.
Yes. That's awesome. So here's you guys' mailbox.
This is where we send
$21.91.
stuff to Mr. Jonathan in the schooler.
If it's like Port-au-Prince, like where you guys mainly go to, it'll probably take several days for it to clear through customs.
Oh, okay.
But once it's there, once it clears through customs, we have another warehouse and a mailroom. We have a mailroom that matches this.
Oh,
100% matches this, and it's in Port-au-Prince. So Iris is in the same exact spot here as it is there in Port-au-Prince. So they receive your mail, they put it in there, they receive your boxes. What happens is whenever everything is cleared and they have it there, they will itemize it and set it up for you. Then they give you a call. They say, "Hey, Iris, we got your stuff."
That's pretty handy.
So, and that's how we do that. So we try to
Wow.
communicate with you guys.
That went a lot to the side. Oh, I hit the red one. Almost scratched it, bud.
All right, Beckhem, your shot. You got to go all the way to the other end and hit that 8 ball. And then just drain it in there for our victory. Oh, so close. They have a nice game room with the, what did we decide this is called? Shuffleboard table?
You just sprinkle the sand and then it's really satisfying.
Nice. Noak is lining up his shot. You go into that corner pocket.
Yeah.
I'll zoom in on it while it goes.
Oh, no, you almost got us.
He leaves me set up for a decent chance. Yeah, you can.
Is my going to zoom into that pocket?
No, just if the ball comes towards it, just pick up the phone. I'm gonna try for this pocket.
If the ball comes towards it.
Beckhem, I'm gonna try to do this for us.
Strike it. Strike it.
Not strike.
Strike the 8 ball.
Oh, I see. As
Yeah.
strike as in hit.
Yeah.
Because strike is a bowling term. Yes! I like this meeting space dining area. It's like there's a spot there for like a movie, if you're doing a group movie. Oh, look at this. There's a whole kitchen in here. That's slick. So this is a dining room with a full-on kitchen. That's excellent. We have dorms in this main building. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 in there. Similar in here. That's cool.
Let's go.
You good?
Check it out, Mountain Dew.
Oh, come on. We're not doing that.
Should be allowed to
Laundry room.
see what is it?
Beautiful.
It says Snack Shack. You see this picture? Look
Yeah.
very closely.
What, there's a guy poking out his head right there? That's funny. Some dude photobombed it. That's great. It's Friday. We're headed to the beach one more time. Well, actually, tomorrow will be one more time. But I know what you're thinking. This is becoming a pretty common occurrence for us. And it's true. In Florida terms, it's about as common as seeing a sunburned, shirtless 15-year-old guy driving a mini bike down the side of the interstate. So, roughly a daily occurrence.
Let's go.
Where do you want to go, Sarah? Straight ahead? Straight ahead it is.
Okay.
Guess survived that one. Oh, he did not survive that one. Down he went. Oh, it's about time to go to Sonic, get some ice cream. Now what you're thinking, Gabe, that's gonna cost a few bucks. Yes? Not too bad though. I mean, in Florida terms, it's like what Uncle Jerry paid for his 4-piece matching set of chartreuse lawn furniture that he got on a rent-to-own basis from the local pawn shop. Hold up your ice cream. What did we get at Sonic? Woo!